Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the Selective Repeat ARQ in the sliding window protocols. So here we are using, in the previous video we have seen how the go back end protocol works. So in the go back end, so if your single frame in the window fails, then it is going to again retransmit all the frames to the receiver. So that is the main drawback. So it is utilizing the complete channel bandwidth, and it is resending all the frames by slowing down the transmission. It is resending the frames and it is slowing down the transmission. So that is the problem in the go back end ARQ. So we are going to overcome that problem in the Selective Repeat ARQ. Selective Repeat doesn't resend all the n frames in the window when just one frame is damaged. Only the damaged frame is resent. So sender and receiver windows. The sender and receiver window size in the Selective Repeat ARQ is at most 1/2 of the value of 2 power m, that is 2 power m by 2. Whereas in the sender and receiver window of the go back n is 2 power m minus 1 and 1, right? Sender size is 2 power m minus 1 and the receiver size is 1. But here both the sender and receiver will be having at most 2 power m by 2 value. So here we will see how the data will be transmitted in the Selective Repeat ARQ. So here the sender is having set of frames to transmit, and now here the sender window size is 2. So the control variable S is pointing to the 0 here. So that's why frame 0 is transmitted to the receiver. Okay. Now the next frame, that is frame 1, is transmitted to the receiver. Frame 1 is transmitted to the receiver. So now the frame 0 and 1 is successfully transmitted. So it will send an acknowledgement to that the last 2 frames have been successfully received. So next, the sliding window will move to the right side and it will point to the next 2 frames to transmit, that is 2 and 3. The frame 2 is transmitted here, but the frame 2 is lost. Okay. So the next frame in the window is 3. So 3 is transmitted here, but the receiver won't accept the frame 3 since it is expecting the frame 2. So it will send a negative acknowledgement of the frame 2, that the frame 2 is not received to the receiver. So it will discard the frame 3 and it will send a negative acknowledgement about the frame 2 to the sender. Now instead of the frame 3 is not discarded here, the frame 3 is received at the receiver side. It will take the frame 3 and it will send a negative acknowledgement on the frame 2 to the sender. Now the sender will consider the negative acknowledgement and it will retransmit the frame 2 to the receiver. So instead of sending all the frames to the receiver, instead of transmitting all the frames in the window, it is transmitting only the particular frame which is needed by the receiver, which frame is lost. Okay, that's why it is properly utilizing the channel bandwidth, and by reducing the multiple number of transmission of frames, it is reducing the traffic also by using the Selective Repeat protocol. So we are selectively repeating. So whichever frame is lost while transmitting, we are selectively repeating that frame only to the receiver side. So this is about the Selective Repeat protocol. Thanks for watching my video.